Hi guys, last time we drew this little scene with non-standard colors, and this time we're going to learn more about making colors and then come back to the scene and add some even stranger colors. So I'm going to close that, and I've written this other program that draws two squares. The first one is red, set pen color standard draw.red, and I draw this bottom square at coordinate 0.25, 0.25. And the second square is orange, and I draw that with set pen color 240, 120, 60. So that's a non-standard color. And I draw the square at 0.5, 0.5. So I forgot to mention last time that when we use the second form of set pen color, the red, green, and blue values need to be from 0 to 255. That's just the rule. But there is another way to make colors, and that is to use a color variable. So color is a non-standard class. It's not even part of standard lib.jar. You can find it in java.awt. So that's the one you want to import. Don't import these bottom two. So I'm going to import that, and I'm going to give it a value by saying new color and 3 float values: 0.5, 0.4, and 0.2. Java's not happy because these are doubles and not floats, and in this case it makes a difference. I can turn them into floats by adding a float in front of each of them, but there is an easier and faster way to do this, and that is to say 0.2f. That tells Java that this is a float value. So the difference between floats and doubles are basically the same as between ints and longs. It's just the size of the numbers we can store, but Java insists on floats in this case. And then I'm going to say standard draw dot set pen color to C. So that's how I use this new variable, and I'm going to draw the third square at coordinates 0.75, 0.75. I'm going to save that and run it. And now I've drawn a third square in a new color. What makes this special is that there are other forms of new color that I can use. In particular, I can add a fourth float, 0.5, to tell how transparent the color should be. And I'm going to use that in my standard drawing of home. When it comes to the trees, I'm going to create a new color that uses these values. It'll also be greenish. So 61% is 0.61 f, 80 is 0.80 f, 10 is 0.10 f, and I'm going to add transparency of 0.5. Again, I've got to import color, java.awt.Color. You can see it's added at the top. Eclipse added that import for me at the top. And now I can use C. So instead of using that green, jolly green, I'm going to use C. And if I run the program now, I get this nice effect where the green color is now not only jolly green but also semi-transparent, and we can see through the color to some extent. Excellent.